Meet Spinal Force, your pain's worst nightmare, clinically proven and 100% natural. One capsule a day keeps the neuroinflammation away. No addictions, just relief. Packed with powerful ingredients, it travels like a superhero through your body. Targets pain at its root cause, neuroinflammation, like a detective solving mysteries. Say goodbye to stiffness and hello to mobility you thought was long gone. Non-GMO, natural, and effective. Spinal Force is basically health food in disguise. Take it with water and let it work its magic, no wand needed. Clinically proven results so good, you might get addicted to feeling amazing. Morning or lunch, Spinal Force fits your schedule like your favorite Netflix show. Why settle for masking pain when you can eliminate it at the source? Spinal Force. Because your spine deserves a standing ovation, not a standing complaint. Try Spinal Force today. Your back will thank you, and so will your dance moves.